What's up, rehabs across the world? Another week, another video. Trent here. Connect with me at TrentShelton.com. Instagram, Twitter, Trent Shelton. Facebook, like Trent Shelton. I think I'm getting tired of this, but I'm going to tell you every single week. Thank you, rehabbers, for taking this message and spreading it across the world. But I really, really need you to share this message today because it's going to get real. You know, I'm convinced that some of us don't know what true friendship means. A friend is supposed to be somebody you can trust without a doubt, not a person that gives your secrets to the world. A friend is supposed to be someone who's happy for you, not someone who is jealous of you. A friend is supposed to be somebody who supports your relationship, not someone who tries to sleep with the person you're with behind your back. You know, life isn't about having millions of friends. It's about having few true ones. The ones that you don't have to tell them to get your back because they already got it. The ones that will never let a petty misunderstanding break up y'all's friendship because they know temporary emotions can't end something that's real. The ones that will bear your pain for you in your darkest moments, but not afraid to let you shine when the spotlight's on you. The ones that will tell you what you need to hear, not just what you want to hear. The ones that could be mad at you, but still be there for you when you need them most. The ones that were with you when you had nothing and will still be there if you lost anything. You know, not the ones that just club with you, but the ones who struggle with you. Not the ones who just eat with you, but the ones who starve with you. You know, fakes will always try to sit at a table that they brought nothing to. Fakes will always try to get a piece of the pie that they didn't help prepare. Fakes will always try to bring drama to your circle. They want you to turn on the ones who've been real since day one. They want you to turn on the ones who you started from the bottom with. That's why circles that stay tight accept no new friends. That's why circles that stay tight put loyalty first. That way nothing fake can follow behind. You know, everybody doesn't deserve to be a part of your team. So stop letting people celebrate your wins in life with you when they wasn't present for your losses. You know, your relationship might be the only friendship, might be the only circle that you got. So men, listen to this. It's better to have one loyal woman by your side than 10 fake homies that claim they got your back. Women, it's better to have one loyal man by your side than 10 fake females that claim they got your back. Protect your circle. And I'll leave you with this. During the war is when the soldier's loyalty is proved. Your hardest days, I promise you this, will expose your truest friendships. Rock bottom will always show you what's real. Never forget that. It all starts with you. Rehab time. Know your circle.